There will be differences of opinion amongst you. There will always be disagreement as well, because we are humankind. No 5 fingers are the same, but that does not warrant insult. It does not require you to be disrespectful. You disagree, and you may disagree strongly, and you may voice your concern. You have the right to do that, but you do not disrespect. You do not become vulgar. You do not belittle, because the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says, a mu'min is not vulgar. A mu'min does not insult. That's not the quality of a Muslim. May Allah Almighty help us to follow the sunnah of Nabi Muhammad ﷺ. In your journey, you will find people on different levels of understanding. In your field, whatever you choose, some may not understand exactly what others are doing or are trying to achieve. Subhanallah, it's okay. Not everyone's level of understanding is the same. That's from Allah. But continue doing what you are inspired to do, for as long as it is serving the cause of Allah, it is serving the rest of humanity, and it is in the right direction.